I think we're about to be free. John's been working really hard. And thanks to Jim, our neighbor, for blazing us a trail. Sorry, I'm short, so you're stuck with the height. There you go. And John's been running the Subaru back and forth on the trail, trying to smush down the snow. It's a little
dicey.
Okay, I was going to go slippery, but dicey works. Deal with the jiggles, folks. The point of this video is we may be free. If we get stuck, don't bother coming. We quit. And now it's on to that road. Yes, that's a road.
This river on the left side has started since I started running up and down it.
The trick to this is to just don't stop. You stop, you sink.
Yes, and then you gotta shovel yourself out. And then be happy you weren't filming. You can always hit delete, but you know.
And paste it back together going, look, it didn't happen. But it didn't. We're up to Jim's place. Thank you so much, Jim and Diane, for helping us with our road. And
you can see where we're turning around.
We're at their driveway.
Right there.
Say hi to the dog. Okay. This will be the test. Can we get onto town?
Which crevice do you grab?
Pick one.
River Lake 1?
Jeez.
Birds are out.
The river runs through. It was a really good movie.
Not still in the river, in the lake.
Or the mud on the other side.
Why do we have a Subaru? A Honda would have been lost in the second lake.
Sorry, folks, but I think we need a Jeep.